Hi everyone, welcome to this week's assembly where we're going to celebrate some of the learning in your classrooms. For those of you who aren't sure or are new to Kent College, my name is Mrs Lavelle and I am the Deputy Head, just like Mr Parkin. My job is to look at all of your learning, to celebrate with you when you do something fantastic and sometimes to help you and your teachers when you need to learn even better. Before we start today's assembly, where we're going to celebrate some of your learning, I would like to celebrate something else. I would like to celebrate being back at school. We started back at school on Thursday, the 3rd of September, 26 weeks after school closed on March the 5th. It has been so lovely to have you all back into the building. It has brought life to our school and it's been lovely to hear your conversations in the corridors when you're walking socially distanced apart and also in your classrooms where you're talking about your learning. It's so good to be back and I know some of you have said the same thing to me. Okay, so are we ready to celebrate some of the learning that's been happening across school over the last few weeks?
Wait, hang on a minute. This isn't someone's work. Oh, yes, this is my spinning wheel with lots of teachers' names on it. Shall we give it a spin to find out who we might talk to? I've got a few of these in this assembly, so watch out for them. It could be a teacher or it could be a child. It's Mrs. Berry.
Hi, Mrs. Berry.
Hiya!
Mrs. Berry, my question is,
Yes.
what was your favourite subject at school and why?
Oh, now, I loved music at school, obviously, because we used to get the instruments out if we were really lucky, and we used to do lots and lots of singing. But music wasn't something we did every week. So the thing that I enjoyed doing the most, that we did every day, was actually spellings. I used to love my spelling test every week, and if I used to get one wrong, I'd get really cross with myself.
Oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting you to say spelling. That's amazing. Thank you, Mrs. Berry.
You're welcome.
Let's celebrate Year 1. Wilfred, Miss Bryan is so impressed with your progress. At the beginning of Year 1, you weren't quite adding finger spaces into your work, but look at it now. You are doing such a fabulous job. Keep up the hard work. Well done for your excellent efforts. Flossie is new to Kent College and has settled in very quickly to her new class. Flossie, Miss Exley says that you work so hard in all your subjects and keep going and trying until it is finished. You are already becoming very independent and you enjoy correcting your errors by spotting the pink for think. What a fabulous start to the year, Flossie. Well done. Well done, Bailey, in 1D for writing a super description of Daddy Bear from the story Peace at Last. I can see here, Bailey, you've used some fantastic adjectives. Well done. Well done, Leah, for this lovely writing. Miss Welfare says you completed this all on your own and using all your time words to help. I was really pleased to see your lovely neat handwriting and your use of Fred fingers to spell tricky words. Well done, Leah. Keep up the hard work. This lovely picture has been drawn by Yunong in 1C. She had to follow the instructions very carefully to help her draw Mr. Bear from the story, and then she had to add her own detail to the background, which you can see is fabulous in this picture.
Well done, Year 1. Some of your learning is amazing. Everybody, can we give these 5 children a big clap, please? Yeah, let's give them a big clap.
Now, not only did I put the teachers in a randomizer, but you too. This is Year 3. Let's find out who it's going to be. It's Finn!
Finn, what's your favourite thing about Year 3?
My favourite thing is about snack and lunch and a laptop and a desk.
And are you enjoying your learning in Year 3?
Yeah?
Is coming to school better than learning at home?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because at home there's no teachers and I like teachers because they teach us things.
Great answer. Great answer. Thanks, Finn. Aristea worked really hard on this piece of learning, Miss Morrison says. She shared some of her amazing adjectives with the class and then put them into her own work. She used the success criteria to make sure that she included everything she needed in her descriptive piece. Her handwriting is also very neat and she takes great pride in her work. Congratulations, Aristea. Camilla has been working extremely hard since we got back to school, especially in her writing. She wrote a fantastic acrostic poem and remembered to include interesting similes and adverbs in her writing. As big as an elephant. I love that one. Well done, Camilla. Congratulations to Lauren for her excellent writing, particularly her great examples of similes and adjectives in her independent writing this week. Well done, Lauren. I like that the star is as shiny as a ring. What? Another one? In the middle of Year 2's work? Who's it going to be this time? It's Mr. Lavelle. Hi, Mr. Lavelle.
Hi, Mr. Lavelle.
That's funny. So, Mr. Lavelle, my question to you is, do you still find things difficult now you're an adult?
Yes, all the time. Especially now that I'm teaching technology and computers, there's so many new things that come across my desk all the time and I'm thinking, how do you do that? So that's what I find really difficult. But the lovely thing is that working with children, quite often, you guys, children, have got the answers. So I ask children for help and they really surprise me all the time with how able they are in solving problems and helping me solve things as well.
That's brilliant, thank you. Let's celebrate Year 2. Elizabeth is an all-round hard worker, says Miss Blethen. Wow, Elizabeth, that's amazing. She is constantly choosing hot challenges in maths and using interesting vocabulary in English. In this piece of writing, she was challenged to extend her explanation by using conjunctions, and you did a great job. Well done. Nyla has loved the story How to Catch a Star and thought very carefully about the character's thoughts and feelings. In this piece of writing, she remembered all of the things she needed to successfully write full paragraphs, and Miss Griffiths is really impressed with all of the different feelings you included. You are definitely writing like a Year 2.
Well done, Year 2. How fantastic. Can we give all of these 5 people a big round of applause, please?
It's time to hear from another teacher. Who's it going to be? It's going to be Miss Griffiths. Hi, Miss Griffiths.
Hi, Mrs. Lavelle.
Right, my question to you is, why did you become a teacher?
I became a teacher because the main reason is I love doing the register. When I was a little girl, I used to line up all my dolls in a row and I would call their names out and they used to have to answer with good morning or hello or how are you doing. And my second reason for becoming a teacher is I was fed up of writing in pencil in my exercise books. And I dreamed of writing in green or red pen. And now that my name is Miss Griffiths and I'm a teacher, I'm allowed to write in everyone's books in pen.
I love that answer. Thank you, Miss Griffiths.
You're welcome. Bye.
Another one? This is Year 1. Let's see who it picks out. Who is it going to be? It's going to be Lachlan in 1B. Let's hear what he has to say. Hi Lachlan.
Hi.
What do you like about school?
Colouring in.
Anything else?
Rhinos, pandas. I like colouring anything I see.
That's amazing.
Colouring pictures.
Fabulous. Thanks Lachlan. Let's celebrate year 3. It's never easy being at a new school, but Juliana in 3A is giving it a great effort. You can see here from her work that she's trying her best in class and she's giving everything 100% effort. Well done. Well done to Blue. You were so focused at searching for your objects that were transparent, opaque or translucent in science and recording them accurately. And Mrs. Henkel said that you kept checking your spellings because you know that that's something you need to work on, and that is amazing that you are reflecting on that in all of your lessons, not just in English. So well done for that fabulous mindset. What's this? Another one? Who's it going to be? This is the year 3 and 4 teachers. It's Miss Phillips. Hi Miss Phillips.
Hi.
Okay, my question for you is, did you like going to school and why?
Well, I actually did love going to school. So I went to 2 different primary schools because I moved house in between, and I loved both of my primary schools. I had a lot of friends at my new primary school that I already knew, and every day was exciting, lots of sports, lots of art, lots of reading, so loved going to school.
Brilliant. And my next question is, why did you become a teacher?
So I actually became a teacher because my mum was a teacher and my grandma was a teacher. And when I was at university, I wasn't too sure what I was going to do when I was older. And I had a lot of jobs working at summer schools with lots of children, and I thought, I absolutely love this. And that is why I became a teacher.
What a fabulous reason. Thank you.
No problem. Bye.
It's always lovely to hear that people are showing resilience and pride in their presentation, and Ali, this is the case for you. You have been making sure that every piece of work is presented beautifully, and you've made sure that you're using cursive handwriting and all of the new high expectations of Year 3 presentation. Well done, Ali. Well done, Anna Karina. Mr. Blakemore is very impressed at the pace of which you work in your classroom, and he says you're very motivated to do the best that you can, and in this piece of writing that was to find the best adverbial you could think of. Well done, keep up the hard work.
Year 3, what fabulous learning you're producing in your classrooms. I'm so proud of you. Can you make sure that you give these 4 children in your class a big round of applause right now? Are you ready?
This is our final spin. It's the Year 2 children. Who's it going to be? It's Annie. Hi Annie. What is your favourite thing about school?
My favorite thing about school is science, because we can learn new stuff about chemicals and that stuff, and we can show our mom and dad, and they can be very proud of ourselves. I really like science. It's my favorite thing in school.
Annie, thank you.
With the chemicals and that stuff.
With the chemicals. Annie, thank you so much.
Well, everybody, that is the end of our assembly for today. Thank you to everybody that I spoke to and everybody that I filmed. Thank you to all of you for all your fabulous work. Make sure you are resilient. Make sure you are ambitious. You try your very best. You work your hardest. And even if you don't get it right the first time, we get up and we try again. That's what being resilient is. And I have seen lots of resilience from all of you.